Everyone in the ACCA community is talking about it. The ACCA syllabus changes for 2025 are here and they officially kick in from September 2025 exam session. Whether you're already preparing for the upcoming attempt or planning your study timeline, this update is something you can't afford to miss. Because these aren't just cosmetic changes, they directly affect how you study, what gets tested, and how you apply your knowledge in the financial reporting and strategic business reporting exams. The latest ACCA 2025 syllabus update has been carefully designed to reflect the evolving landscape of global finance. It incorporates the most recent financial reporting practices, updates in international standards like IFRS, and the shifting expectations of the global finance industry. This ensures that ACCA students are not only exam ready but also well prepared to meet the demands of modern day financial rules across international markets. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the overview of the syllabus changes, a breakdown of what's new in FR and SPR, and finally how you can adjust your preparation strategy to stay ahead of the curve. So let's get straight into it. So first, let's get the basics clear. The ACCA syllabus 2025 updates are applicable starting September 2025. They mainly impact two key papers, financial reporting and strategic business reporting. The ACCA syllabus 2025 updates for these two papers introduce new content areas, realign topics, and revise weightage across key sections. These changes are aimed at enhancing relevance, improving clarity, and ensuring better alignment with current professional standards and industry practices to reflect the latest IFRS updates. In short, ACCA is realigning its curriculum to stay current with global expectations and to help you become the kind of finance professional the world actually needs. Let's start with financial reporting or FR. The 2025 ACCA financial reporting syllabus introduces significant updates to align more closely with evolving IFRS standards and contemporary financial reporting practices. The revised syllabus places greater emphasis on the application and interpretation of concepts to real-world scenarios, particularly in areas such as revenue recognition, leases, and financial instruments. Additionally, enhancements in presentation style and learning outcomes have been made to help students gain a deeper understanding of the subject and effectively apply key financial reporting principles in practical contexts. Here's a quick comparison between the 2024 and 2025 syllabus. Conceptual framework, it's still included but with more emphasis on interpretation. Expect questions that test not just what the framework says but how it applies in real reporting situations. Revenue recognition under IFRS 15. This is still a major topic, but the learning outcomes have been enhanced. You now need to understand more scenario-based applications. Leases under IFRS 16. This topic has been expanded with practical use cases. Financial instruments under IFRS 9. In the 2014 syllabus, coverage was limited. But in 2025, the focus increases with more examples, more disclosures, and deeper analysis. Presentation of financial statements. There's an upgrade here too, particularly around disclosure requirements and the structure and the classification of items under IAS 1. In short, FR is moving beyond formulas and formats and heading into practical real-world thinking, which is exactly what employers are expecting from you. Now let's talk about strategic business reporting or SBR. The updated ACCA Strategic Business Reporting syllabus for 2025 focuses on the latest advancements in corporate reporting, integrated thinking, and the ethical dimensions of strategic financial decisions. In response to increasing stakeholder demands of transparency, accountability, and sustainability, the revised syllabus shifts its focus towards more practical, real-world reporting scenarios. The exam structure has also been enhanced to assess not just technical accuracy, but also a candidate's professional judgment, strategic insight, and communication skills within complex business-relevant contexts. Here's a quick comparison between the 2024 and 2025 syllabus. Professional and ethical behavior. Still part of the syllabus, but now you'll see it in case-based scenarios. Think less in theory and what would you do more in the situation style questions. Integrated reporting. This section has been restructured to include new learning outcomes. Current issues in corporate reporting. These now come with greater depth, testing your awareness of recent changes like sustainability disclosures and global regulatory shifts. ESG and sustainability reporting. This is a major change. This topic is newly added and it focuses on real-life applications. From ESG scorecards to integrated sustainability disclosures, this is something you must study seriously. IFRS updates 9, 15 and 16. Previously, these were covered at a basic level. Now expect complex judgment-based applications and more integrated case questions. SBR 2025 is designed to mirror the real reporting environment that business operates in today. If you are preparing, expect less define and list and more analyze and advise style questions. So what do these changes mean for you as a student? It means that your preparation strategy has to evolve. You can't rely on role learning or outdated materials anymore. Instead, here's what you should do. Step 1. Download the official ACCA syllabus changes PDF for 2025. Use it to track every topic that's been updated, removed, or added. Step 2. Shift your focus to application and interpretation. Try solving questions that ask why and how, not just what. Step 3. Use updated practice material from ACCA-approved learning partners. These resources are built to reflect the new exam structure. Step 4. For SBR, especially practice ethical and ESG-based scenarios, these will become central to case study style questions. Step 5. Lastly, don't skip examiner reports. They give you insights on where students struggle and how you can avoid making the same mistakes. The ACCA 2025 syllabus changes are not just a challenge, they're an opportunity. An opportunity to think deeper, practice smarter, and stand out as a finance professional who's ready for the real world. If you're giving FR or SBR in September 2025 or beyond, make these updates part of your study routine today. At FinPlan Edu, we're already helping hundreds of students adapt to the new ACCA 2025 syllabus with updated study materials, expert-led mentorship, and strategic exam guidance tailored to the latest structure. If you need clarity, structure, or personalized guidance for FR or SBR, reach out to us. We're here to help you prepare smarter and succeed with confidence. If this breakdown helped you, do give a like to the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your ACCA study group. Got more specific questions about the syllabus? Comment down below. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again in the next video.